Looking for a budget-friendly laptop in 2026 that can handle daily tasks smoothly? Today, we're checking out the ASUS Vivobook Go E1504FA, a lightweight laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 5. Let's see if it's worth your money. Starting with the design, the Vivobook Go 15 comes in a clean, cool silver finish. It looks modern, minimal, and is surprisingly lightweight at just 1.63 kilograms, making it great for students and office users. You also get a backlit chic-let keyboard, which is super useful for working in low-light environments. Under the hood, it runs on the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor with 4 cores and 8 threads, boosting up to 4.3 GHz. For daily tasks like browsing, watching YouTube, using Microsoft Office, and even light multitasking, performance is smooth and responsive. It also includes 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and a fast 512GB NVMe SSD, which helps with quick boot times and faster app loading. This laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The viewing angles are good, and the anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections. However, brightness is around 250 nits and color coverage is about 45% NTSC, so it's decent for everyday use, but not ideal for professional photo or video editing. You get integrated AMD Radeon Graphics here. This means you can handle light gaming and basic editing, but don't expect high-end gaming performance. The laptop comes with a 42Wh battery. You can expect around 5 to 7 hours of normal usage, depending on your workload, decent, but not exceptional. In terms of ports, you get USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack, enough for most users. It supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, so connectivity is fast and future-ready. The keyboard is comfortable with good key travel, and the precision touchpad works well. There's also a 720p HD camera with a privacy shutter, which is a nice touch. Pros: lightweight and portable fast SSD plus good RAM, smooth performance for daily use, backlit keyboard. Cons: average display brightness and colors, limited for heavy gaming or editing, battery life could be better. So, should you buy the ASUS Vivobook Go 15 E1504FA? If you're a student, office worker, or someone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, this is a solid choice. But if you're into gaming or professional creative work, you might want to look for something more powerful. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.